guys, here is I am on my outside settings. It's my little extended patio, and in this video I'm gonna show you how we make it, because mm, it's just so easy to extend like few feet to your patio if you need nice sitting place for your coffee or talking to neighbors. And here what I got and how I got it. It's very easy. Let me explain to you. If you have some kind of a corner on your property which is a completely like not usable, like for us it was, we have choice to sit and look on neighbor's car to park next door to us, or we have choice to make nice sitting, and that's what we add. A little garden, we add little garden corner to it, and now I don't have to watch my car parked over there. I have really nice garden look here, and let me show to you how actually easy to do it without any professionals hiring. You can do on your own. Even in our age, what we pretty old people, we still did it. Well, let me show to you how it's done. Okay, I'm showing to you right now part which is not done yet. That corner what I was there is already done, but this is a part which is not done yet, and that's how it's just show to you step by step how I did it. What the problem was to begin with. We had this nice patio, nice sitting patio, and well, it's width of it about almost 3 yards, but between end of this patio and property line, as you can see, gap, like good 2 feet, 3 feet actually, no, 2.5 feet gap, really big gap. And it's kind of danger, because if you're walking with walkers like we do, or you have kids running around in your case, it's just not safe, because anybody can drop down. It's not deep down there, but it's enough to damage yourself, to break your ankle or leg or something like that. It's just not safe. Now, well, we decide to make it senior safer or kids safer. And well, what we did, we actually did put, it's so easy, as you can see, just get the bricks, it's so cheap to buy, and you pile them up like that, almost level with your end of it. And yes, of course, mortar involved, a little mortar and cement mix involved, and you just add some support for your floor. Okay, now for floor we use 2x4s, as you can see. Obviously you need to put primer on this wood. Obviously you need to get these things painted with outdoor good expensive paint, because that's supposed to be, it's a deck practically, it's a little deck what we add in here. And well, what you do, you just practically, that's another layer of bricks there under what I'm showing to you right now. Right here is a bricks there, brick there, and you can put piece of wood across, and you can put your floor pieces alongside of your patio right here. And wow, that's how it's done. And what is enough for us in our case, it's just enough to get going on, sitting nice chairs add to it here. What whole thing now we have we can put little table here. I can put my plants here, and well, we got again between us and neighbors some distance and some kind of privacy added to it. And well, we got, I can line up chairs on another side of it, which is I did. Let me turn around and show to you. Here I am. I lined up chairs, nice chairs by another side. Before it was not enough room to go around that. And I even have my clock here, and very nice sitting right here. And before I had not enough to do that. Okay, now I have just enough to do this setup, because my patio is wider, and I can have chairs one side, I can have chairs another side, and still plenty of room to go in between them, go to my garden, because this is a way along house to garden. Okay, as you can see, it's not finished all of it, but you can see this poles, which is cemented in the ground with concrete going down. By the way, give you another secret. Before you stuck these poles in the ground, obviously you cover that with old Henry tarp, but it will not rotten in the ground. And the reason why, because we're not just extending our patio, we're gonna extend our roof over our patio, or go all the way to this point. Okay, guys, now I'm showed you part which is already ready. And can be this kind of extension. Look, it's just a simple extension, just to put garden table on the top of it, just to nets practically. But again, it's those nets holding up on the brakes. And here we go. Here we go. I have my outdoor lamp on the top here, my outdoor lamp, and well, here we go. And you can put now you have floor there. You can sit on it, and you can put chair there and you sit on it. It's as easy as can get, and very quick decision. Anybody can do it, and it's really work good. Yeah, here is nice finished look. As you can see, you can really brought up garden to your windows instead that nasty wall or end of property, and makes nice sitting place. Thank you. If it's useful for anybody, that's all what I need. Thank you for your interest. Thank you. Bye bye.